let's continue with the eating fruit logic. What does it mean, eating the fruit? So we'll check the location of the head of the snake, right? So when it touches the fruit, we should make the fruit disappear. But don't worry about it for now. And at least we need to increase the size of a snake, right? The number of cells, the snake cells, by 1. Let's do it. So we can check when we are moving the snake, we can check whether or not it touches the fruit, right? So we already have this fruit column and the fruit row here. For example, when we move left, we need to check, right, before we update the snake. So for example, if where is the head? Yeah, it's snake 0, right? Sub-0, snake sub-0 dot colon if it's same as fruit colon, and snake sub-0, that's the head cell of the snake, dot colon dot row equal. We use equal for comparison, and we use a single equal sign for assignment. Fruit row, yeah, that means we encounter the fruit. What should we do? We need to add one more cell, right, at the end of the snake. So can we do, so let's move it to the place after this, right? So we can do snake dot append the new, so we need to remember the original one, the original tail. Yeah, so let's keep a copy of it. That old tail equals snake. What is that? Snake dot count -1, right? Say we have a snake with 5 cells, so this is 5 -1 is 4. That's the last cell of the snake, because it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4. This is 4, okay? And then we can append the last one. Let's give a try. But we have to move left, right, to get it. So let's go down, and and keep going. Yes, you see, it's longer, right? let's keep eating the same fruit because since it doesn't disappear the second time. Keep going. Is it longer? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It works. Now let's see. Before we copy the same idea to the other movement, right? Other directions. Can we improve the logic here, the code? Snake, update that. So this one, the old one, this is the same for every direction. Can we move this logic to update snake? Let's think about that. Well, it's the code here. So here, new head. Yes, I think we can put this code here. New snake. Old tail. Cut. And let's put it here. Does it make sense? So old one is that snake. Yeah. So we'll update the new snake. Then we'll return that. Let's test it. Run it. Now, yeah, let's go down. One. It's longer, okay? Now let's test the right. Eating from right. Yes, it works. Let's keep eating. One more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try one more time. Is it 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool.